just need to jizz all over in this garbage can.
Just side view it over there. Right on.